Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be doing an update on week one's budget and stepping the second half of our paycheck for week 2. But if you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we did. In our budget from August the 18th through August the 31st. In week 1, Best Buy for $150 came out. Our medical subscription for $100 came out. Home Alarm for $50.64 has come out. Netflix for $21.79 has come out. Audible for $16.19 has come out. Amazon Prime for $16.50 has come out. Patreon for $5.40 has come out. Our homeowner's warranty service call for $100 has come out. They had to come out and replace our air conditioning. And Afterpay for $45.71 came out. That came up to a total of $505.85. That leaves us $796.10 for next week's bills. For our cash envelopes, week 1, we spent $145 in groceries, $85 in gas, $15 in personal, and $15 in lunch. We didn't spend anything in miscellaneous or anything in household. That came up to $260. That is $400 that we have left for next week. For our income versus our expenses, we started out with $2,151.95, minus the expenses of $505.85, minus the cash envelopes of $240, and minus the sinking funds of $140. That leaves us $1,246.10 for next week's bills. So fam, that is all for the budget portion of the video. Now we're going to move over and we're going to stuff the cash envelopes for next week. So in miscellaneous, we saved $10. In household, we also saved $10. In lunch, we saved $15. And in my personal, we also saved $15. So it gives me 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. It gave me $50 that we saved. So it gives me 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. $230 is what we're going to be stuffing. And we are going to start with miscellaneous. And that's going to get $10. Household is also going to get $10. Lunch is going to get $15. And my personal is going to also get $15. So we're going to put this to the side. And my husband is going to get $15 for his lunch and $15 for his personal. So it gives him 10, 20, 25, 30, which I'm going to put aside. My beauty is going to get the $30 that I saved out of my personal and lunch. And I do owe my husband $50. I took $50 of his money to go get my nails done because I didn't want to take it out of here until after I did the budget. So I'm going to give him back his $50. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. $80 in beauty, which will turn out to be $30 since after I give my husband his 50. And our rollover is going to get 20. So it gives me 5, 6, 7, 20, 40, 60, 80, 98, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. $885 in our backup funds. So fam, I am a little behind in all of my videos and all of my budgeting. I am working on my garden, and I will probably throw some pictures up in my next video. I have got it laid out and everything planned. I just haven't planted yet. And I probably won't plant today. I am so tired. Me and my husband went out, and his sister is a part of a motorcycle club. I went and volunteered, and he's the DJ there. So we did not get home until 2:30 this morning. And I am probably going to get a nap in sometime today. But for the most part, I have a video that I need to edit and get up, and then I'm going to go work in the garden for just a little bit, and then I'm going to come in and relax the rest of the day. Tomorrow I'm off. It's Labor Day weekend, so I will probably get in the garden then and do my planning. But that is all for this video, fam. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.